Hi friends, welcome back to DrawKids. Today, we're going to draw a super cute heart together. Let's start with a pencil. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The pencil is just for making a guide. Now that we've finished drawing our cute heart with pencil, it's time to add some details. Let's grab our black marker and color in the eyes. Take your time and make them nice and bold. Great! Now it's time to add some color to our heart. Let's take a red marker and start coloring it in. Be careful to stay inside the lines, but don't worry if it's not perfect. Just have fun with it. Great job, guys! You did an amazing job with this drawing. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!